In clinical vaccine trials, almost all of them exclusively would combine males and females together and report the data according to the males and females combined. But given the literature that shows that females usually have better antibody responses, for example, it would be very helpful if people actually reported the sexes separately or did an analysis by sex. I think the reasons that they don't is, first of all, if you want to report by sex and you want to be sufficiently powered in your study to report by sex, you're going to need to double the size of your study. And that has massive cost implications, and so many people are just not willing to even consider this as a possibility. But those people that do really multiple studies could then separately have a look at the sex side of things and see if the sexes are behaving differently. And chances are they will find differences. Whether those differences are actually biologically significant, I think, is important. So if you're looking at antibody responses, as long as both groups are achieving protective levels of antibodies, then maybe it doesn't matter that the sexes are different. I think what would be important is if you're finding that you're getting levels that are too low in one of the sexes, or if females have really high levels, for example, which we know does happen to certain vaccines, they may actually benefit from a slightly lower dose of vaccine, and then they'll have also less side effects. So maybe eventually we'll actually have a stage where males and females actually get different doses of vaccines or slightly different vaccine schedules. And we've been talking at the conference about personalised vaccinology today, and I think that there is a possibility in the future that we will want to give different types of vaccines according to your immune system, your immune status, and possibly according to the sex of that person.